Oh man, Dougie's doing 100. Hey, are you afraid of speed in Canada, Doug?
Yes.
Why?
I don't want to get mounted by the mountains.
We're in the Ontario province of Canada. Yeah.
Liter of cola.
What was that?
I get a liter of cola.
Canada's awesome.
I got a large Florida.
This is how slow we're going. We're getting passed by all the trucks.
Bumping it up.
We got a really nice rental car, but I think we drew a short.
Oh, we're bumping it down.
Short of the stick? The short stick. We got Illinois plates. For anybody that is familiar with Illinois, not Illinois, by the way, history lesson. They're known as fibs. I'm gonna ask everybody if they know what fibs are. Crafty, do you know what a fib is?
Nope.
No? Dougie, Andy, you know what fibs are?
A fib is when you don't tell the whole truth.
Okay, wrong. Do you know what a fib is, Andy?
No.
No?
No.
A fib? This is a suite in Syracuse. It consists of a bed and a sofa bed and 4 grown men.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Do you think the pizza is better at Chuck E. Cheese than New York?
I don't know. That's a good question.
Well, it's New York pizza.
Do you think does Chuck E. Cheese count as New York pizza? Is that the debate? I say it counts.
At end of the road,
Definitely
turn
pizza,
left.
and it's definitely in New York.
Take the
It's
next
in New
right.
York, and it's pizza. Andy,
Yeah,
do you concur?
yeah. I mean, by legal definition,
Yeah.
it's New York pizza.
It's New York
In
pizza.
400
Yeah, did the USBC
at
cover
end of the road, turn
pizza?
left onto Route
No,
5.
I watched a
Boulevard
documentary
East.
on pizza
I'm pretty
on
sure
a
the
flight.
USBC covered pizza.
On a flight.
Yeah, they
to
covered
Hawaii.
a whole video on just pizza.
Yeah,
But was that on the list?
There is a red lobster.
but like New York only has like cheese, like it's cheese and pepperoni. If you have anything else on your pizza,
It's floppy pizza. Hey, good luck out there! I don't know. I'm willing to wait for good barbecue. Because good barbecue is hard to find. And Syracuse is known for their barbecue. Sounds right. So we got into Dinosaur Barbecue, which is, they say it's famous. Because like I said, Syracuse is known for their barbecue. How would you rate Dinosaur Barbecue? 4.
I have nothing else to say.
And what are your credentials?
My credentials? Right, you got it. You got it.
This man knows his barbecue. Andy, you got a sensitive tummy.
Yeah.
What did you think about this place? Yeah, I think that's the overall consensus. Kelly?
I liked it.
Whatever.
I didn't even eat anything.
How are the drinks?
He's a Southern boy. He just drank.
How are the drinks? You?
5. 5 out of what? 10. Oh, I'm going with a solid 6.5.
People built this up like it was the second coming of edible animals. Like they figured it out, and this is the end all be all. Now it might be good for Syracuse, might be good for New York, but unfortunately New Yorkers, I don't think you guys know about barbecue. Sorry, not sorry.